Hello, good morning. We will discuss about the chapter 3 methodology, about method of research, research design, population, sample size and sampling technique, and description of respondents. In chapter 3, before we start with different subtopics, we should have introductory statement. In introductory statement, you are going to write all the contents that you are going to discuss in chapter 3. The first one is research method. In research method, you are going to describe or to identify or write what descript or what method you are going to use for the study. For example, here, there is a descriptive survey. Then after that, you are going to write the reason why you selected such method. Then you can get that reason from your statement of purpose or your statement of objective. After that, write the conceptual definition of your research method. For example, qualitative method. So choose the author with credibility in research, and always write the author in if or the statement and even the name of the author, the year, in APA citation format. Then after that, write the application of the concept or the conceptual rather, write the application of the conceptual definition stated, okay, okay, of the method you use. Now, for example, that qualitative method. So you have your author, then apply it. You have to follow of what you how you describe qualitative method. Okay, so in research design, you have to again state what research design you use. No, example: case study, narrative analysis, content analysis, what you learn from our lecture. So choose one, okay, for your study. What design it is a what design applicable to your study. Then write again the conceptual definition of the research design. Again with the author and again with APA citation format. Then again, explain the process of your research design and what are the objectives that will be determined, or why, give the reason, no? Why you chose that method and how you applied that method in your study. Explain the process based on your conceptual definition. The next is the population and sample size. Again, you write the place of the population. Okay, for example, what school? There are 3 schools. For example, Villamor High School, Mariano Marcos High School, Manila Science High School, where you get the population. And then write the reasons what makes you decide to choose your population. And of course, the sample, no? So later we will discuss how you are going to get the sample. Then write how many, or rather, how may are selected in the study. Okay? How many are selected in the study? Okay? Sorry, it's not may, no? Many are selected in the study because you have your sampling technique, no? Then after that, yes, the sampling technique, write what sampling technique is used, get the conceptual definition again of your sampling. Sorry, it's not us, but of your sampling technique. Write the author again with APA citation format again, and write how and why do you apply such sampling method. So you explain it very well, no? Then For our description of the respondents after your sampling method, after knowing your population and sample size, you have the description of the respondents. For example, here, grade 3 teachers in the elementary school serve as respondents together with their school principal and administrator. So, make a table of your respondents after the sampling method. No? So, there is a table, then who are your respondents, then using the formula in sample size. Okay, later we will discuss it, that, no, okay, or in other video. So then after that, the table, you can get you can solve the total, no. So the last, okay, the next is the research instrumentation, but we will discuss it next video. Thank you. Okay, so that's it for today. Thank you, and I hope you learn from our sample.